Hi, AM here, and today we're going to review a set though that is not all construction, but technic, but basically a technic set that came out 2 years ago, back shortly before Bionicle was about to be cancelled. Again, of course, Bionicle G2. Being a LEGO Technic Hydroplane. Which can also be built into a race boat. And also never mind. But still. Though since I wouldn't want to spend all that time rebuilding the whole thing entirely into that race boat, so I'm just reviewing this mode. So to start off with the front, of course, I'm sure you've seen my video of the misadventures of Batman and Tom episode being Hydroplane Pursuit. So I guess overall with the stickers, so I guess it's alright looking with the checker pattern since it's supposed to be for racing. And also these right here. Yeah. And there's also the number 68 and also but and also and I'm sure if you put a minifigure in the cockpit, it would be without these, it would obviously fall out too. There's that. And as for the engine though, it looks somewhat incomplete. Though I think it would have looked better if there were some bricks added on top. But with these, I'm not too sure what to do about them. Probably nothing I could do with them unless it were built differently. As for the back, it looks alright looking. Yeah. And also, when you turn this, it also does this, of course. So I guess to give it that kind of engine function. And last, the bottom. And there's also these wheels. So I guess probably if these were a little bit bigger would have been better for them to roll. And or they maybe didn't use them at all. So I guess overall it is actually somewhat nice looking and alright, and I would give it a 6 or 7 out of 10. So as usual, leave a like if you enjoyed this review and subscribe to watch more videos on this channel if you're new here every day. But as usual, thanks for watching, and I'll be back next weekend with another set review. But from now on, thanks.